degrees. Ain't that a ripper? God, we got some cool stuff happening today, guys. Let's go to the squid shack. Always. Always. Ah, pickle. Alright, come on. Let's do this. Oh, it doesn't want to. There we go. Oh! What's going on here? Where's your third freaking mate? Oh, that's right. So, the other car's gone. Hasn't gone for good, it's just gone somewhere to get something done. I'm just gonna have to spill the beans quick. Soon, not quickly, but soon. As soon as it's back, we're gonna basically unveil what it is, what's happening to it, and why I've decided to do this again financially. Anyway, it's gonna be a good thing. Look at the Sonny. After the last video that you guys have seen, this thing looks immaculate still. God, I love this car. Yeah, there's a couple of things hanging off. That's just a zip tie. That's just needs a good slamming. This is literally the only damage. It's not even, I could just almost buff that out. You know, that's the spark creator. It's almost flat now. Yeah, she's not bad. And the rear bar's a little bit worse for wear. Yeah, very worse for wear. Anyway, we had a delivery today, and I think we should open it. Because it looks like a bloody good delivery from the boys down at Snap-on. Let's get it in here. So here you go, guys. We have some brand spanking new jack stands. Oh, these are exciting. You might not think they're much, but these bad boys mean a lot to me. Oh, look at this. Look at that, eh? Quality. Woo! 3 ton. Bloody rippers. Oh, big wide freaking heads on them too. Here's a bit of a tip for yous. When you actually first get these, you're supposed to bend that tab in. I think it even says it here. Bend this tab after inserting ratchet bar. That's so the sucker can't ever fall out again. However, people like myself like to take these on adventures, and when we take them for adventures and pack them into the trailer and whatever, it's a lot better to have that separate. You can store it easier, don't clunk around and make noise all the time. So there you go. It even gives you a nice little instruction manual how to use these, because believe it or not, you get this wrong, it can squish you. So it's a good idea to learn how to frickin' use them, because they are very deadly. If, for instance, Jesus, if you don't use them right, they can squish you. Okay, so we got quite a few of them. Reason we have quite a few of them is because we have quite a few cars in here, and we have another one which will be in here on these for quite some time. So yeah, I'm a little bit excited about telling you guys about that one. Anyway, we have 2 more little items here. So I'll rip this one off to begin with. Oh, god damn, hey. Oh. Oh my god. Look at it. It even looks good in just the picture. And we've got it right here, real life. Whew. Thank you, Snap-on. You know, it just doesn't get any better than this. Partnered with the world's best, you know, it's just freaking awesome. Oh, look at it. It all just seemingly, I can't even talk, it's that cold. This is freaking good. They even, you know, they were really thinking about me in the new painted floor. Look how dirty the floor is, by the way. Hey, it's not going to mark the floor. Oh, no one's going to get upset when I use it late at night. It doesn't make it. Just, hang on, let's have a comparison here. Look at old Bessie. You know, just listen. Yeah, right. Listen to that freaking truck. I'm not trying to be a salesman, but when you see quality, you just can't argue with it, you know? There you go. Hey? It's all blue. Maybe we need a blue car. Maybe that's what we should paint a new car. I don't know. We got one more package. One more. We should do on the old Snap-on box here. Right. The next box we have from Snap-on is... Oh, I like this. This is addressed to Jake. That's me. Oh, this is good. This is freaking good. I don't know if I can show you guys this just yet. Secret squirrel stuff. Oh, look out. This is the full starter kit catalogue. Look at this. We are going to have to go shopping. Yep. I have some shopping to do. What else we got here? Oh, got some batteries. We got some batteries. Little 14 volt suckers. Because I got some skins, but I never got some batteries. So now, where are they? Look at this. Are you ready? Hang on. Oh, hell yeah. Whew. Got another one. Oh, this is just like Christmas all over again. Snap-on really know how to kick off a weekend, I tell you. Alright, another one. Let's just do another one, eh? Oh, they're robust. Doesn't matter. Now this, I've been using these suckers at work all the time, but they've been work's actual tools, not mine. So, oh, this is gonna make building a new car seamless. Oh, I seriously can't talk. This is going to make working on this new car so much more enjoyable. And then, last but not least, a dual battery charger kit. So this will do the big batteries, little batteries, all your batteries. Every battery you can think of, which is the little or the big one. So I'm just gonna turn you guys around in a sec. Here we go. So you can obviously put your little batteries on this side and your big ones, like off this big boy, which is gone flat, in there. We also have a new tool here from Snap-on, which we're going to get into detail about later, maybe on tomorrow's video, we'll see. But it just sounds like Bronna's has rocked up. She's been shopping. She went and used my van, so it's probably full. Clothes and all that good stuff. Anyway, yeah, that's today's little package that's rocked up. Oh, it's good. I really wanted to dive into what actually happened on the weekend, because it was pretty eventful. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there was a couple of little steering issues I had. It got real shaky. Now I had a couple of hits with Lindo on this side. The rim's all good. Let me check the to see if it was bent or anything like that, but no, it's all good. I had a couple of issues with the rims and the speed socket tool, just because the holes on these rims there's literally no give in the speed socket, and they've got no I've got no way of centering the rim on my actual hub, so I'm gonna show you guys how you can combat that issue. These are 2 new rims I've picked up. That's actually a pair, believe it or not. They're genuine work wheels, got them very cheap. And I just needed some more spares, because you can never have enough rims, you know? There's another thing I want to talk about. So these Kenders, I didn't like them at all, like at all. Compared to the Salins, you know, you get down to there and then you start losing grip. So, I don't know. I don't really rate them at all. They just didn't work. They fell to bits. They got too hot. Maybe I need to drive differently to suit them, but yeah, I don't know. They just didn't really work for me. So, but then in saying that, the Salins have got a new compound, and I was apparently on the new compound, and that was really good. The engine. Oh, the engine. We didn't lift the bonnet for any reason other than to just double check the engine was still in there, because it just kept going. The thing was just amazing. I mean, the engine's getting really hard now to start, just because it's lost so much compression, and it just doesn't really want to get cracking. But once it's fired, she's an animal. Freaking love this car, God. And also, on another note, I have to start building the new engine for it, because before you know it, I'm gonna run out of luck with that stock engine. It's a bone stock RB25 Neo engine, and I really want to get some more RPM into this. So I'll get cracking and building my new engine soon, which means I need to head back to Lewis Engines, trying to get back down there as well to finish the RB30 I was doing. I'm really sorry to all the guys that keep messaging me flat out about when the next update's coming in the RB30. It will be coming. Please relax. It's gonna happen. It's not wiped off. It is coming. But Darren's busy. I'm busy. As you can see, I'm working again, and yeah, we just got to figure out a time of when it suits him, when it suits me, and we can get cracking, because I really need to spend a good day or two down there and get some things sorted, because I've got a heap of heads with him, and yeah, need to get a lot of stuff sorted. But I'm really liking the layout here now. 2 cars this side. I think we should put 2 cars this side. That would be good. And yeah, I just need a freaking good clean up in here. But just wanted to show you guys a couple of upgrades, a couple of little gifts that Snap-on sent me. It's very much appreciated by Snap-on. I'm also going to dive a little deeper into what you can do with all these amazing tools that they have kitted us out with. There's potentially more coming as well, which is exciting. Oh man, there's so much going on. And yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that I really appreciate all the support you give me. Heaps of views coming in from the weekend's event, which has been amazing. That event was really, really awesome. Drifting SA have just stepped it up a whole new level. The live stream alone it's better than some of the bigger competitions I've competed in overseas, you know, like, and it's just a whole group of people just trying to put on a good event, and it was good to see a crowd there. It was a bigger crowd than usual, so that was awesome. And you know, the overall feedback everywhere was just good. So thanks heaps everyone, and I'll be letting you know as soon as they announce the next round, because it will be good to get a really good crowd out there again, because the guys are keen to put on a show. And yeah, I think after the weekend, you know that all the drivers can, because there's a lot of talent in SA, and that is one event where it really shines. So that'll probably be it for today, guys. It's freezing cold. I've had a guts full of the cold. Keen as to move to Queensland. Anyway, that's enough for today. I'm going to wrap it up there. Anything you guys want to know about absolutely anything that's happening in the shed, the Sonny, the RBM3, whatever, leave it in the comments. I need some ideas on what you want to do moving forward. But yeah, there's a lot happening, but I'd like to be able to sort of plan it out for you guys so you know what's happening and what's going on. But at the moment, it's just all over the joint. All right, guys, we'll be back in the next video to basically give you a rundown of all the damage on this car. Not that there was much, but I'm probably going to strip a lot of things down and double check and whatnot. Because this thing copped an absolute beating. 5 freaking battles in the final. Yeah, look at it. This just Born Again and done such a good job on the paint job. God, it looks good. That's it, guys. Hope you have a freaking good weekend. See you.